Welcome to DocTuber. Welcome to a new episode. Today we will discuss about coronavirus prevention. Now, coronavirus is a global pandemic, and every day the situation is getting worse. So, proper knowledge and prevention techniques should be known to us. Now, please stay at home because staying at home will keep you safe. Be with your family and spend a quality time. I know it's hard, but you can. Now, working from home is not impossible. Use your laptops, tablets, mobiles, computers, or various gadgets to get connected to your office. Social distancing from person to person, a minimum of 6 feet, is mandatory. Now, recent studies are showing that coronavirus can spread from a distance of 13 feet also. So, stay as far as possible. So now, when you meet a person, don't handshake. Say namaste. That it will keep you safe from coronavirus infection, as coronavirus can get transmitted from handshake. So when the next time you go out in the crowd, please avoid a gathering because you can easily get the infection from person to person while sneezing and coughing. The proper hand washing techniques is very much essential. Use soap every time, and proper 7 steps of hand washing is very much essential. Please follow the steps given here. Now, while you go out shopping, please maintain a queue and stay in the circle you are allotted in, and don't be in a hurry. Wear proper masks and shop. Stay safe. Now, hand sanitizers are very much helpful for regular persons and for healthcare workers, and the alcohol content should be greater than 60%, and it is usually of 70%. Now, sanitize your used articles with alcohol, like mobiles, wallet, and lift switches or the doorknobs or various other day-to-day used articles. Now, please stop eating outside because you don't know the person who is cooking for you might have a coronavirus infection. Please use home cooked food. Now, when you go out and market the groceries, please wash it with soap water for a considerable amount of time so that it gets cleaned from the dirt and the coronavirus itself. Now, when in public, please use handkerchief while coughing or sneezing, or use a mask. That's better because don't spread the infection to others. Now, coming to the types of masks which are used. Now, there is surgical masks or N95 masks. Now, the surgical mask is used during operations, and the N95 mask is used by the healthcare workers. Now, here in the surgical mask there is one-way protection, while in the N95 it is two-way protection. The N95 is superior to the surgical mask and it fits tightly on the face and is generally for the healthcare workers, while the surgical mask is for the general population. Now, comparing the N95 to the surgical mask, the N95 is surely superior because it protects the person from 100% bacterial infection, dust, pollen, while the virus is about 95% protection is given. In surgical masks, the virus protection is about 95%, that is equal to the N95, but the bacterial, dust and pollen protection is about 80%. You can also use homemade cloth mask, but that is not for the healthcare workers. It can be used by the common public. Now please use gloves if you are a healthcare worker, and also eye goggles that will protect you from getting coronavirus infection, as it also gets transmitted via the conjunctiva of the eye. Now protection for the healthcare workers is very much important, and personal protection equipment, that is PPE kit, must be available for every healthcare workers in presence of a coronavirus patient. So there are 6 items, that is disposable hood, disposable non-woven gown, 3-ply mouth mask or N95 mask, surgical gloves, disposable eye gear, and disposable shoe cover. Now, it's very important that you don't touch your eyes, nose and mouth every time, because it may get transmitted through your eye. So how to decrease the stress during this coronavirus pandemic, because it's very much stressful to stay at home every time. So you can use yoga to decrease the stress. Use pranayama method to decrease the stress, and do some stretching exercise that will give you energy. Now if you think that you are infected, please quarantine yourself for 14 days, aloof from the general public and your family members, because you might transmit it to your loved ones. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel. Our next topic is COVID-19 treatments.